I've been flying helicopters for 27 years. I used to crop dust in small airplanes before that. And I've been doing tours in the Hawaiian Islands for 12 years. My father was a test pilot for Lockheed Corporation. So I got the idea from him of learning to fly. To see the beauty of the Hawaiian Islands from the air matches nothing else I've ever experienced. It's wonderful. This is a pu'u, or hill, within the Ulapalakua Cattle Ranch. Still 24,000 acres of grazing land. And there's a vineyard and the Maui winery here. When I was a little girl, I looked up into the stars. I thought I wanted to be an airline pilot, but instead I crop dusted in small airplanes. When I was in Colorado, a helicopter pilot took me up for a ride. I was hooked. And I think I'm having a lot more fun. To be able to show people the island, particularly of Maui, where they cannot see it from any other aspect, is quite a privilege. It's almost a feeling of love for the sky and the planet. The road structures on a lot of the islands don't allow much of the beauty of the island to come through to visitors. But from the air, they see amazing things. My name is Glenda. I've been a pilot, a helicopter pilot, for 27 years.